morning light is touching the sea. A dream is calling out to me. Above the waves I spread my wings, where silence turns to everything.
Flying high where the oceans meet, emerald waters beneath my feet. The wind is writing stories in the sky. Every moment passing by. The cliffs of Le Morne proudly stand, like a timeless guardian of the land. Every sunrise paints the blue, a perfect world forever new. Every heartbeat, every breeze brings my soul back to peace. You're calling me home. Above Le Morne I'll always roam, through endless skies, so wild and free. Your paradise lives inside of me. My drone is dancing with the wind, capturing moments that never end. Every frame becomes a memory, forever part of me. Golden beaches, crystal light, lagoon shining soft and bright. Every color fills my eyes like heaven falling.